1,000 days. You never wait for me, you never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to.
Hi Gems, welcome to another video. So let's get into the video. So today here is sponsored by Luvme here, and this is the package. Luvme here always has some cute packaging, I must say. They always have really nice packaging. I love the purple. And let's get into the content of the box. So when you get, I'm not sure if it's gonna be for all the box, but this is what came in mine. You get some cute eyelashes, which are pretty gorgeous. I can't wait to try. You get this silk scrunchie, yeah. You get these nice little earrings. They're gold with diamonds, which I like, so I'm gonna try those out. And you do get some press-on nails. They're pink. Camera not picking it up because of the lighting. And you do get some, I think it's a keyring, and you do get that white tooth comb, that detangling comb. And yeah, that's basically what the packages look like. So let's get into the hair. So for the hair, it is their 5x5 lace closure undetectable lace. I think this is their kinky curly unit. It is 14 inches, and you do get your 4 combs and the other strip of straps, and you do get another elastic band so that you can make your wig glueless. So that's a plus. The wig did come pre-plucked. As you guys can see, the hairline looks pretty nice. You can go in and plug it somewhere if you want, but it's not necessary. The wig also came pre-bleached, which is good, so you can go ahead and bleach it some more if you desire, but I was okay with how it came. I just went ahead and added some foundation to it just so it matched my complexion. You guys know the concealer that I always use. I'm gonna link it in the description box if you guys are not aware, but I'm gonna show it to you guys in the end of the video. So I'm just trying it on just so you guys can see the first impression. I did not wash it. This is it straight out of the package and everything like that. So I'm gonna go and style the wig, and I'll see you guys in the end. You can just go ahead and watch this styling. It's nothing different from what I've done before for all my other wigs, so I don't want to bore you guys to death. So go ahead and watch that, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Enjoy.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me, you never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? You're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that you, right. You're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that you, right. You're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that you, I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me, you never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? You're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that you, you're all that you, I had you gone. I'm right. You're all that.
Alright guys, so that is, or this is the end of this video. This hair, let me tell you, gorgeous. Gorgeous plus stacks. I don't know if it's just me, but she's gorgeous. Okay, she is absolutely gorgeous. The one thing I love about the hair is that it is curly all the way throughout, from root to tip. Okay, it took me a long while to kind of get this part a little flat because she's curly. You don't get that with all your other curly hair. You don't get that. Like, Love Me has always had wonderful curly hair, and this lace, y'all, can you tell, like, this is glueless. This is glueless, like glueless. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what the hair looks like underneath different lighting, but first I'm just gonna show you, you know, the 360 of this beauty here. So this is what the front is looking like. She is 14 inches and she's right on the shoulder, like right on the shoulder. She's gorgeous though, she's gorgeous. So this is what it looks like side. You can see this is my left side. Okay, this is what it looks like in the back, like gorgeous. And look at that bounce, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look how she, look at that. Just look at that. Okay, and this is how she looks on my right side. Isn't it gorgeous? Like, look, it's so bouncy. Like, it's not even dry yet, and it's just bouncy, y'all. It's bouncy. It's so bouncy. Love Me hair, like, never fails. Like, they kind of never fail. So this is their Kinky Curly 5x5 Undetectable HD lace. So with this, as you guys saw before, you do get the elastic band so you can make it glueless. It does come with 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back, and you do get adjustable straps as well in the back as well. The hair did come pre-bleach, as we mentioned before, and it comes pre-pluck as well. I did go in and pluck it a little bit more, nothing crazy, but just a little. And then on the lace, I did add this. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm always using this Ruby Kisses concealer. It's foundation plus concealer, and I have it in number 15. This is really good. I'm gonna link this in the description box. And then to get the curls, juice and stuff, because I did not wash it or anything, and let me listen, y'all should wash your wigs, don't follow me, I just couldn't be bothered. I did use the water with conditioner, as you guys saw before, and then I used this brush to just kind of define the curls, and then I use my Talia Wajid curly curl cream. Listen, this is not for wigs, but it was a little, it kind of worked. Okay, and then you guys saw everything else, and yeah, the hair is pretty nice. So let me just show you guys the lace in different lighting. So this is the lace in under my ring light. This is the lace under my ring light. So let me just show you. As you guys see, can see, it's like, see that? Look at that. It's completely glueless, y'all. Look at that. Look at that greatness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that neat? It is. So I'm gonna show you in other lighting. So this is what it's looking like under natural room lighting, like not under my ring light or anything, just in my living room. And this is what it's looking like. So you look at it, it's glueless, y'all. The lace is not bad at all. Okay, so this is it under, you know, room light, regular room light. So let's see what it looks like outside. All right guys, so we are outside, and this is what it looks like outside. See, yup, this is outside. This is what it looks like outside. I kind of turned this thing down. Okay, This is what it looks like outside. See? Yeah, glueless, y'all. Glue. In the bathroom, so let's see. I don't even know why it looks like that, but I guess it's my bathroom lighting. It's not so flattering. So this is what the lace looks like in my bathroom. My bathroom lighting. See? It's glueless, y'all. See? 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 Yeah. That's great. Okay guys, so that's it, and you guys did see what it looks like underneath different lighting, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so this lace is it's undetectable. Who's gonna come for you? Who's gonna come for you in your lace, huh? Who is? So the only issue I had with the wig is that it's a little bit big for my head. I should have gotten a small instead so it can be completely glueless, but y'all know you will never get a completely flawless glueless install. So it's, you know, you need like some kind of adhesive to, you know, get that going. And if you're gonna adhere it to your head, it's best to use what they call it, I'm liking the Ebin Wonder lace adhesive spray. You can either get the black one or the red one, but my favorite is the black one. So you can go ahead and, you know, like check that out. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Week 10 we did no baby hair so that we could show you exactly what the lace looks like, and it's gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. Alright guys, so that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you, and guys, keep slaying queens. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.